everyone, welcome back to a new video, and welcome if you're new. So today I have a fun video for you guys. I thought it'd be fun to do a studio vlog type video. I'm currently working on my Disney junk journaling kit launch. That's going to be launching at the end of April, early May. I'm still working on the kit, so I don't really have a definite date just yet. This is going to be a quick little behind the scenes video to show you my process and to give you guys an idea of what I've been working on and what I'm doing behind the scenes when I'm not really posting on social media and on YouTube. So hope you guys enjoy watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So I'm holding the camera, so it might be a little shaky. I do apologize, but I just have shaky hands. Anyway, let's get into this. So what you're looking at right now, I kind of built this makeshift table, and I was originally working on my dining table, which I'll show you in a sec because that's where my Cinderella kits are currently right now. But this is so much helpful for me because I have everything laid out. I have a bigger workspace to work on these kits. So I wanted to just kind of give you guys a behind the scenes look at my process and how I start. I still have a lot of work ahead of me. I still have to iron all of the trims and ribbons. I'm still finalizing the kits. I'm currently working on Cinderella, and that's almost done. I still have a few things to cut up and add. And then after that, I'm gonna go on, probably to Sleeping Beauty and Snow White and Alice. So those are the 4 themes of my Disney launch for this year. And I have others planned, don't worry. I'm also going to be doing a Disney Villains launch. That's in the works. I'm just going to give you a little bit of an overview, and also if you hear any creaking sounds, my floor is hardwood and it creaks a lot, so I apologize. I am going to be filming a haul video. Went thrifting last weekend, a bunch of different stores to find items for my kits, and a lot of what you see here is some of the stuff I bought. But I did buy this tablecloth. It's so spring and beautiful, and I want to include it in kits as well. I bought it for, you know, junk journaling and to make covers of journals and stuff. So, but for now, it's serving its purpose to cover the plywood that I'm using, just because I didn't want anything getting stuck on it. It's wood, and this just protects my kits and my surface. So anyway, just a quick little overview. So here is the Sleeping Beauty kit. So what I have here, these are all the ribbons that I've cut so far. I still have some to trim, to cut. So there's gonna be 5 kits of each style. So in all 20 kits. So I still have to cut some ribbon up. And then these are all the book pages that I cut. I still have some more to cut into, and then some of the other embellishments I'm going to be using. So what I like to do is put a kit aside so I have to work with. So this is going to be my kit that I'll be showing in my video as well when I show you guys what's in each kit. That's going to be coming to my channel soon. So here I have 2 envelopes because I'm still deciding which one I'm going to add to the kits. And once I start working on this, like I said, I'm still doing Cinderella. Once I get into Sleeping Beauty, I'll figure out what, you know, matches and what looks nicer with what I have put together. These are some of the accoutrements, and these are just some of the embellishments that are going to be added in the kit. So this is like what I'm working with here. I try to make each kit unique and specific to the princess, but there are some overlapping items, you know, like certain things I will be using in all the kits. So one thing I love about my junk journaling kits is that I really make them like from start to finish. You can create an album, and I include so many goodies. The color scheme for Snow White is pretty much the only one that's really different. I try to keep it blue, yellow, red, white, just like the classic Snow White colors. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using these bags here, just temporary. Out of all the kits, I have the most books and different styles of books for Snow White. So I really hope you guys love Snow White as much as I do. I just love the classic illustrations in some of these images and the different books that I found. So, and just a little look, these are the embellishments for Snow White. So I'm really giving you guys a really behind the scenes look because you are seeing what's included in the kits here. The one-off kit here up to the side that I'm going to be working with. And then this is Alice. So let me go here. For this one's really fun. I'm trying to make it like pink, yellow, blue, white, and just colorful. And I really like the Alice kit. It's coming out really nicely. So these are the little accoutrements that I put together for Alice. And these are the pages. So this is the one kit that I'll be working with, and then this is everything together. And then these are the books. I still have to go through all the books and cut up the pages. I've done a few of that. They're over here. But I still have to go through more books and cut them up. So And then I have like a little workstation over there that I set up for myself. Now let me show you my kitchen table. It's a little bit more messy because this I just organized nicely for you guys for this video, but my kitchen table's a little messy, so let me show you the Cinderella kits. All right, so don't mind the piano. It's still in the box, and that's my boyfriend's. Anyway, so this is messy. Like I said, I've just been working on Cinderella and then just throwing the things on top, so I do have to organize this. I do have all the book pages here cut up, and then what I'm going to also include is other like die cut pieces from the book that I'm going to also include in the kits. And then I still have to cut up the patterns here, and then these are the embellishments for Cinderella. And I want to make sure that each kit has the same amount of stuff. So I know Cinderella has a little bit more than others, so I want to make sure that I include the same quantity of things in each kit. So I'm still working on that. Like I said, I'm still finalizing everything. But as you can see, there's a mixture of vintage and new. Like these tickets, for example, these would be new. This is new. But then I have a lot of vintage trim as well. So I love mixing old and new together. It's one of my favorite things. This is why I love junk journaling. So anyway, that is the mess of Cinderella. But you can kind of get an idea. It's going to be blues and pinks and gold and yellow, or silver, sorry. And it's just a lot of nice, beautiful colors. I think it looks so nicely together. But these are the books that I'm using to cut into. So I have all my Cinderella books. I have just a bunch of different like mixed books that I also want to cut into. I've already cut into some of them, and then I still have more to look through. And just to add, like this fairy tale book I already cut into. Each kit will have, I think, except for Alice. So even though some items are very specific to each kit, I am trying to make each kit have similar items. So that's a bit of an overview of my process. I think what I'll do now is just continue working on my kits. I have to cut up more trim. They're over there. And yeah, this is how I prep for my launch. So depending on how much, because this is vintage lace, like I'll never be able to find it again. For example, depending on how much I have, each fiber and trim comes in different sizes. So I was originally going to do 16 inches, but I don't have enough, so I did 12 inches. So each kit will have like up to 16 inches of a trim, and then some may be smaller. It depends on how much I have. So just to give you guys a little heads up. So for this one, I'm going to most likely add this into Alice or Snow White. It depends. I'll kind of do like a final like walkthrough of everything I have and make sure everything like each kit is even. And then so yeah, like I said, let's say if I have too much whites in Alice, then I might add this into Snow White. So I'm still, like I said, finalizing everything, but for now this was cut for Alice, so I'm going to throw it in the Alice pile. So what I'm doing here is basically, there's a lot of book pages, right? So I'm going to be adding into each kit some that are just text and then some that have larger images. That's what I've been doing here. I'm just kind of organizing them. And this book actually has Through the Looking Glass as well. Well, both of them do. So I will probably be adding Through the Looking Glass pages as well. And this book is in French. This one is in English. So I like to kind of mix and match so that you have both languages basically. Just makes my kits unique and different. And so I'm just putting together some larger images here for the kits. And then grouping some pages that have just smaller images here. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. So I think I'm gonna end the behind the scenes look here. I just want to do a quick little video to show you guys what I'm working on and why I'm a little bit MIA on social media and on YouTube. It's because I'm really working hard to get these kits completed. That's why I'm really happy that I have this setup here, because I can work on it a little bit at a time when I have some time. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm going to continue working on this. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to see more behind the scenes videos like this, of me working on kits and whatnot, please let me know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!